Hey guys, we are back at the 2-bed buy-to-let renovation in Selly Oak. So Carl has attended, he's pretty much removed all the rubbish and now we can get walk around and have a better idea of what works needs doing. Let me turn the camera around. So as you can see, all the rubbish now has been cleared. Oh, it stinks in here of pets. Sorry. Yeah, the previous, the legacy tenant here had a pet, and it stinks. So anyway, there was like a exercise bike here, loads of rubbish, stuff like that. Car's taking everything away, he's taking everything in there away as well. Okay, so the plan for this property would be to lift that, remove it, remove this carpet, and put laminate flooring down. And then throughout the property, we're going to redecorate white, including the woodwork as well. We're not going to strip back the wallpaper because as much as I'd love to, the landlord for this property doesn't, this refurb caught them by surprise. The tenant didn't look after the property very well. So they haven't budgeted for a refurb. So we're going to need to do as much as we can with a modest budget and basically go for the big impact works. So redecorating is one of the big ones, and then recarpeting as well. That's clean inside. Second reception room, the floor is okay. Again, in here it's just going to be redecorate. Imran has attended to do the electrical installation report. Everything's fine. We just need to do, there needs to be a few electrical stuff that needs to be changed. I wanted originally to change the covers, but unfortunately these are not sunk into the wall. So if we replace it, it will just look a bit weird. So there'll be metal sticking out here. So what we're going to do is try and keep costs down. We're just going to clean it up instead. If we replace that with another plastic one, you know, it will be another plastic one. But I guess it'll be cleaner. But again, we're trying to keep costs down. The lino in here has been replaced. I'm going to try and replace the tiles, but we'll see. But this can all be redecorated. These extractor fans need replacing. Those lighting units will be replaced with bulkheads. Kitchen, the worktop and counter we're going to keep. And the appliances we're going to gift to the tenants. Unfortunately, so we did sensibly have to do a gas cert. Fortunately, that boiler's too old and it's replacing. So we're going to come back and replace that boiler as well. That is expensive. That's not cheap. That's like 2,600, maybe 3,000 something. So, you know, out of nowhere to pay 2,600 or 3,000, it's not an easy pill to swallow. So redecorated throughout. Those nice trees. Awesome trees. Small garden, we'll clean that. Redecorate all of those. That door belonged to here, so we need to rehang it after all the works are done. So unfortunately, we're going to need to keep these carpet and clean it. Again, just try and keep costs down. But these yellow, I don't think you can see from here, but it's really old yellow paint colour. That's all going to be repainted white. Repainted, the carpet's just going to be professionally clean, and that needs to be investigated as well. Repaint. The tenants have actually put sellotape around the corner, which is weird. That's going to be replaced, and that's going to be removed. Second bedroom, again, repainted throughout. And then bathroom, we're just going to investigate that and repaint and replace that extractor fan and replace that light because it's not fit for purpose. But the bathroom will keep as it is. Yeah, I mean, it should be relatively straightforward. It's just an unexpected cost for the landlord. So yeah, we'd have to use our heads, make sure that every decision is made sensibly, just try and keep costs down. Okay, this should be, yeah, it'll be fine. My name's Nguyen. We're letting manage high quality HMOs and single lets in and around Birmingham. We are called Sentinel Lettings. If you like this sort of stuff, don't forget to like and follow for more. All right, see you.